Off-road cycling around the hills of Kathmandu, Nepal with the Carling, the Wanderer. Experience the thrill of off-road cycling in the enchanting hills of Kathmandu. Traverse the undulating landscapes, kissed by the morning sun. Navigate through rustic trails, a symphony of crunching gravel under your tires. Feel the heartbeat of Nepal, a rhythm set by pedal strokes. Uncover hidden routes, where each turn unravels a new vista. Be captivated by panoramic views of the Himalayan skyline. Challenge yourself. Conquer the steep climbs, revel in the exhilarating descents. This is not just cycling, it's an adventure.